Hello everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Hygger Disc Automatic Fish Feeder. This was sent to me by Hygger for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. So let's go ahead and proceed with the unboxing. First, inside the box is your user's manual. Here's the mounting bracket, measuring spoon for your fish food, optional suction cups if you plan on mounting it in the glass. It uses 3 AA batteries and it's all included. Here's the main fish feeder device. It is made of plastic with removable cover for easy refilling. The design is pretty simple. It comes with 15 compartments with 2 grams of food capacity. It has 6 control buttons and 1 LCD screen. This is where the fish food gets released. To install the battery, just remove the cover and food container and you will get access to the battery. This is suitable for most type of foods as long as it doesn't exceed the particle size of 3 millimeters. Just remember that this is not suitable for flakes and shrimp food. At the bottom, there's 4 suction cup fits if you want to mount it on the top of your glass cover. To install the bracket, just slide it in all the way till it stops. Now let's get some pellets and fill all the food compartments. I don't have that much fish in the tank, so I'm only loading each compartment a pinch of pellets. Now that it's loaded, let's test the manual feeding button if it works. Just press this manual feeding button and it should load you a single feeding. Operation was pretty easy and the instructions in the manual are pretty easy to follow. So let's go ahead and set up the time. To set the local time, just press the timer icon button, then press the cogwheel settings button till the 4 digits number flashes. Now to set the hour, just press the timer icon button until you reach the desired hour. Now to set the minute, just press the calendar icon button until you reach the desired minute. To save it, just press the top right button or the manual feeding button. To set the feeding time, first press the calendar icon in the middle, then press the cogwheel icon till the time number flashes. To adjust the time, just press the calendar icon until you reach the hour of feeding you want. In my schedule, I wanted to feed twice a day, so I need to set another time for 6 p.m. So I just press the cogwheel one more time and set the hour of second meal. For my schedule, I wanted to set up for 6 a.m. and one for 6 p.m. To save it, just press the manual feeding button. To set the amount of food, just press the pellet food icon on the bottom right. Press the cogwheel, then press the food icon again to set the number of grids you wanted to be unloaded. In this feeder, you can set to maximum of 9 grids if you have a lot of fish. To save it, just press the manual feeding button on the top right corner. To set the feeding interval, press and hold the cogwheel for 3 seconds, and when the number flashes on the top right corner screen, just press the cogwheel again to set how many days you want it until it feeds again. In my schedule, I want it to feed every day, so I have to leave it in 0 value. After setting it, just leave it blinking and it will automatically save it after 10 seconds. So that's basically how you set the Hygger Auto Feeder. It's simple and easy. Now that it's all set, let's mount it to my 50-gallon saltwater tank and remove our old fish feeder. The installation is pretty easy and no tools required. I just made sure that it's pretty tight enough that it won't tilt right or left when you touch it. Let's give it another manual feeding test. And there you go. This tank is ready for my another vacation. So far, I've been using this for a week now and the feeder dispenses consistently. There's no leftovers stuck in the grid, so that means the amount of food were unloaded per schedule. I love how easy the setup and programming. Fish can now have different types of food every day without me manually doing it. I like that they included the battery so I don't have to remove our remote's battery again unlike the other brands. For the cons, I only have one so far. I wish the LCD is brighter for easy status reading or maybe a light button so you can make changes at night without turning on your light. Overall, the Hygger Disc Automatic Fish Feeder is a reliable, beginner-friendly option for keeping your fish fed while you're away. If you're looking for a peace of mind and consistent feeding, this little gadget is worth considering. That's it for this video. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.